Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to explore the core concepts of marketing and its pivotal role in organizational success. This module serves as a foundational introduction to marketing management, setting the stage for deeper exploration in subsequent modules. Marketing is the heartbeat of every successful business. It is more than just selling products, it's about creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging value with customers. When we talk about the scope of marketing, we are delving into the multifaceted nature of this discipline. It encompasses everything from understanding consumer behavior to crafting compelling marketing strategies that resonate with target audiences. Throughout this course, we will dissect each aspect of marketing, giving you a comprehensive understanding of its significance in the business landscape. The evolution of marketing concepts is a fascinating journey that mirrors the changing dynamics of consumer behavior and business practices. We started with the production orientation, where businesses focused primarily on maximizing production efficiency without much consideration for consumer preferences. Then came the product orientation, where the emphasis shifted to product quality and features, assuming that if you build a great product, customers will come. Next, the selling orientation emerged, characterized by aggressive sales tactics aimed at pushing products onto consumers. Finally, we arrived at the marketing orientation, which revolutionized the way business operate by prioritizing customer needs and preferences above all else. This customer centric approach remains the cornerstone of modern marketing practices. Marketing serves as the backbone of organizational success, driving growth and fostering long term relationships with customers. At its core, marketing is about creating value for customers. By offering products and services that address their needs and desires, businesses can establish a competitive edge in the market. Building strong brands is another critical function of marketing. Brands are more than just logos. They are a promise of quality, reliability, and trustworthiness that resonate with consumers on an emotional level. Additionally, market plays a pivotal role in enhancing customer relationships. By engaging with customers across various touchpoints and delivering exceptional experiences, business can cultivate loyalty and advocacy, turning customers into brand ambassadors. The marketing process is a systematic approach to achieving marketing objectives and satisfying customer needs. It all starts with understanding customer needs through market research. By gathering insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and pain points, business can tailor their offerings to meet specific customer demands. Armed with this knowledge, marketers design customer value propositions that differentiate their products or services from competitors. These value propositions communicate the unique benefits and advantages of choosing their brands over others. Finally, delivering and communicating value to customers is essential for ensuring that the right message reach the right audience through the right channels at the right time. Effective marketing strategies leverage a mix of channels, including digital, social, and traditional media, to engage customers and drive conversions.